This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Before you go out and start to pitch your app to get publicity, you got to create a compelling story so that the editors and bloggers, whoever, are going to be like, wow, this is interesting. And so it's got to be newsworthy. There are a few types of things that are newsworthy. If you raised money, if you've launched, even better than launching, if you've created some unique milestone, or if you've taken something that's not original and made it original your own. For example, in my apps, when I got 300,000 downloads, which not noteworthy, but then I wrote a book based on common experiences of 300,000 entrepreneurs. Okay, maybe more noteworthy, more unique. It had that uniqueness factor, and if you position the uniqueness factor in an interesting way, then people will go, oh, sounds interesting and cool, I'd like to know more. And that's what you have to inspire. And once you have your story, you've got to create a really good headline for your story, because when you pitch, you're going to pitch people who are busy, and often all they'll read is the headline. So if the headline is a little bit boring, it's not going to have success because people are going to skip it. What you want is have a headline that stands out. Things that make headlines stand out are obviously naturally unique things, but numbers, percentages, things that make things look official, well-researched, things like authoritative, and that will help you get noticed and publicity with your story and with your headline. And then you can send out press releases, you can pitch in journalists. Everything's going to be easier if you create a story around what you're doing, a unique story that's new, and a fantastic headline that will get you noticed and will get people to click on the headline of your email or whatever you're sending, and then read your story and hopefully get inspired and interested with your story and invite you to be a guest on their publication.